Hello everybody, my name is Veronica Philip. Welcome to my channel. Sit tight, relax, and let's learn a thing or two together. That's my motto. Okay, so I am making a series of video on papaya, the use of papaya, and the benefit of papaya. Papaya is good for many things. I think we should start including papaya in our grocery list, green or ripe. Okay, so I made a video recently concerning erectile dysfunction. Today this video is about breast milk. Okay, if you have a low production of milk, or you should use papaya. And if you want more milk, even if you have milk and you want more milk, especially if you have a greedy baby, a baby who loves to eat or suck, you know, so we have to give them what they want. Okay, so this is half of a papaya. I just cut it in two, and I'm going to do half of the papaya. That's for my friend's daughter. So, but I also eat the papaya salad, and I also drink the papaya because it's good for many things. So after cooking the papaya, you drink the water. Then you take the papaya itself, and you can make salad with it, or you can just eat it like that. Now this won't have a lot of salt, the papaya, so it might not taste like tasty, but never mind, you're doing it for the baby. Just drink it like you don't even know that it's tasteless. But as I cook the codfish, and I put a little water of the codfish in here, I'll be cooking the papaya in there, so it won't be so tasteless. So right now I am going to clean the papaya and cut it into cubes. I'll show you how I cut it after it's cooked when we're making the salad. Okay? Hello, I am ready to show you the papaya. See, that's the cooked papaya. I cubed it, and after it's cooked, that's the liquid from there, but it's hot right now. Can you see this? It's hot. So when it's cooled, I'll place it in a jar. Or if you want to leave it in the pot, that's fine. Or you can always put it in a jar. It looks better in there, and you can have it, drink it. And then the papaya itself. So we're going to make a salad from the papaya. This is some codfish here. I'll add the codfish in here. This is a parsley, Italian parsley. Okay, we want to put all our parsley here. Then we have scallion. Okay. That's half of a lime. You could use lime, you could use lemon, but I had lime. So I'm squeezing, because that lime, it doesn't have a lot of juice in it. But we don't need a lot of lime. Not too much acid in here. Then we use some of this peppermint here. Ground pepper. couple turns. Then this is hemp oil. It is vegan and it's gluten free. Okay, this is cold press hemp oil. Okay, so we do a couple sprinkles over here. This is a very healthy salad. Over here. Then we mix it up. Mixing it up. Then we add a couple, you know, say drips of salt like this. Not so much salt because there was really no salt in the papaya when I cooked it, so it's all left to your palate if you want more salt. But this is the salts. This could be a side dish. You could have this as a side dish for, or you can just have it as a meal, you know. Yeah, you don't need anything else with it. But you could have it as a side dish like a vegetable. Okay, let me see how the salt tastes here. This is yum. But I'll add a little more salt. Let me see. If you want to add more lemon or lime juice in it, go ahead, you know, that's fine. So delicious. See? That's the papaya salad. Papaya can do a lot for your body, for your health. So don't be shy about eating papaya. You see the water here? You drink this in 1 week. If you do this for a week, you're gonna have so much milk overflowing. If you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, it's also good for you. So what I will do, because I have to take it to someone, so when it cools off, I'll put it into a different container and take it to her. And I don't know what the salad. This is so good. So this is it. I thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Okay, thank you.